you okay? Please stop asking if I'm okay. I'm not alright, no way. I'll just save that shit for another day. I ain't playing, girl, and the shit all around needs some changing. World's all up in flames to the pavement, girl. It got me so sick, I'm about to hurl. All that can change is me, so I try to do it so gracefully. But reminders all around hit blatantly, so I sit in my room, wait patiently. I don't need this drama, just hand me the vibe, I'll do what I wanna.